Hello everyone, my name is B. Manoj. I'm a sub-executive committee member in IEEE student organization and I'm currently pursuing my engineering in GITAM deemed to be University in Electronics and Communication Engineering, third year. In this video of review series, I'm going to tell you about AIML, also known as Artificial Intelligence Markup Language. I think you guys heard about virtual assistants and chatbots. Yes, we all know about that. So by using AIML, we can make a chatbot by using Panda Robots application, and it is very easy to learn. So without any knowledge of artificial intelligence and Python, we can make a chatbot by using AIML. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to write a code in AIML.
Okay, this is how our Panda robots look like. So first we have to create an account here, and uh, when we enter into the dashboard, we have to click into this icon. So it will ask the name of the chatbot. So I entered chatbot 1 here, and we have to go to the edit. Have to go to the code editor, and it will show here AML and UDC. We write code here in the UDC because UDC is also known as ultimate default category. So we write XML in UDC files only. So let me explain every tag here and how it works. So here it mentions the XML version and encoding UTF-8. AML. The tag AML means it defines a beginning at the end of AML document. So we can see AML at the beginning of the document and the end. The category, it defines the unit of knowledge in the bot's knowledge base. And the pattern, it is used to match the user given input. And the template, it is used to response of an bots for a user input. Okay, let me show you so you can understand clearly. So here, pattern, name a school student organization. So now I say name a school student or organization. So this is my question. So this is the input from the user. So here I gave pattern name a cool student organization. So if I gave this input, the AML give response this. This is the output it gives. I think you are looking for IEEE. So if we gave, if we, this is the user input. So the pattern means it has to match the user input. If we gave any other input, if we gave any other input different from this, name a cool student organization, give question mark here. So it will give the same answer. But if you give any response that AIML doesn't know, like something, yeah, so it shows I don't know what you're looking for. So for that I gave in a star here. A star means if we give any other input that AIML doesn't know, it automatically gives this response. So here in the pattern, if you say star, yeah, asterisk is better than another asterisk. So if we say if we give we chart with the chatbots like am I better, we ask some kind of questions to the chatbot like this. So if we ask the question, say Napoleon is better than Alexander. See, so here in the template we given, I believe star index 1. So we gave say Napoleon. So we given star index 1 is a Napoleon. So it gives the value Napoleon here, and star index value it is second index. So we given Alexander as a star index 2. So it inserts the star index to here. So I believe Napoleon and Alexander must be given an equal chance. So this is the output from the AIML. And sometimes we chat with the chatbots like hi there, hello there. So if we ask hey there, yes. So it will ask our name. So I given a star here because so we can call it any with any words like hi there, hello chatbot. So that's why it will give the same response. So it asks my name. Hi, may I know your name, please? So here I am Manoj. So here, so when I gave my name here in the star index, so here the temp we can see we already know the template is used to response for an user input. So we see here some two new tags, that is star and set. Star means it is used to match the asterisk characters. So and set to set the value in the AIML variable. So when I say hi I'm Manoj, so it sets the value hey Manoj, how can I help you? And when I ask another question, tell me a secret. Yeah, so we already gave the name here, so it's stored here. My first name is stored here. So we use get tag here because to get the value what we needed here. So we need my first name here, so we use the get tag for that. So we get the response, but Manoj, it won't be a secret now. And sometimes we can play some games with the chatbot like rolling dice like that. So here we use the random tag here to get the random results, and li tag is used because to give the random outputs. So the li, when we use any random tag here, we have to use li to give the random outputs. Because let me show you. Roll a dice, you get 4. Another time, roll a dice, you get 2. So in li tags it will give the different outputs every time we ask for it. Okay, when I say my full name, I am Manoj Boddeti, it still says hi Manoj, how can I help you? It still calls me with my first name. It doesn't include my surname because at first we already given some inputs here, so some codes that it only respond in that way, only with my first name, but it stores my surname too. If I ask my full name now, here I am given my full name here, I am Manoj Boddeti. So it stores my first name and set name, surname. So if I ask her, do you remember my full name? Yes, you're Manoj Boddeti. So it shows the stored value. So it says my full name, and you can maximum we use chatbot like for chatting like that. So that's why we can ask her questions like ask me a question. So it asks, would you be rather be talking to a human right now? So here I did that. Pattern, ask me a question. This is the input from the user. Template random. So I asked it to, in any virtual assistant or a chatbot, it never asks a same question for the same input. So it asks different outputs to us. If we talk to a Google Assistant or any virtual assistant we use, it doesn't give the same response for the question every time. It gives different response. So here I added two other responses. If I ask me a question, it will ask, do you like me or would you rather be talking to a human right now? So when I ask me a question, it randomly asks this question, would you rather be talking to a human right now? So if I said no, seems like I'm getting good at this. If I ask the same question, ask me a question. If I say yes, so I'll get back to some technological advancements then. So here, yeah, if I say yes, this is the response of the chatbot. If I say no, this is the response of the chatbot. Okay, these are the basics of the chatbot. So I will show you last working code of it. Like if I ask, who are you? I'm a chatbot one, because in the Panda robots it includes it name in the JSON library, JSON file. But when we are doing in a separate application, we have to enter the chatbot name in a separate JSON file, a JavaScript file. So
Thank you for watching this video.